This is Pushpa from PRS Commerce Media. So now I am going to take a chapter number 3 in part B section, the financial statement of the company, which is very simple. In this chapter you are going to learn only the financial statement format, how they are going to be there. The first one is you are going to know the statement of profit and loss, and the second one is you are going to know the position statement, or it is called as a statement of balance sheet. The statement of balance sheet, which are the main two financial statements which need to be maintained by the company or a corporate organizations, that at last they are the final outputs. So in the statement of profit and loss, the recently the amendment is made. We need to find, first we used to write in the vertical form, now we are going to write in a horizontal form. In horizontal form, certain this thing is been given, format is been given. So the format is of statement of profit and loss is very simple. So if you know the profit and loss account and trading account, usually you can write this statement of profit and loss. So in this statement of profit and loss, you are going to find out first the incomes. You are going to write the incomes. Usually your income will be from your source of income will be by the sales only. So which we call it as a revenue from operation. Revenue from operation. Revenue from operation means sales minus sales return. We call it as a revenue from operation. Okay. The second thing is that the other incomes means there may be a commission received, interest received, a dividend received, such kind of things are there. Then you need to write the other incomes and finish. Then we'll total it. We get a total income. For the total income, the another name is total revenue. We call it as A. So total revenue A. So in this total revenue A, we are going to minus the total expenses which are being incurred in order to gain this income. If you are going to make a sales, you need to make a purchase, you need to make a production, such kind of expenses will be there. No? That expenses you need to minus here. It may be a direct expense or indirect expense. So here you come across the purchase of goods, you come across the purchase of goods, you come across the salaries, then employees, benefits, then depreciation, all such kind of expenses which are direct and indirect. We are going to total the expenses. In this format, we are going to total the expenses. From this total expenses, whatever the total expense you get, we call it as a B. Total expense we get, we call it as a B. So now we need to minus the total revenue from the total expense. So there you will get the profit here. The profit is total profit before tax. We call it as a profit before tax, that is A minus B. That is C is equal to A minus B. So if it is A is 5 lakh, then B is 2 lakh, then we call 3 lakh as a profit. So the tax rate they will be given in the problem on the format, and whatever the answer you get now, for that you need to make the percentage of tax. So if it is 10%, we are going to make 10%. If it is 30%, we are going to make a 30%. If you make 30%, it comes to 90,000. So in 3 lakh, if 90,000 has been minus 2 lakh 10,000, we call it as a profit after tax. So this is concerned to the financial statement, first one, that is statement of profit and loss. In this chapter, you will be getting only for 6 marks question. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please send me in the comment section the questions, and feel free to ask any questions if you have, and I'll send a photocopy of this in my link. You can see there. Thank you.